Hi guys, welcome back to new video. I hope you all are doing well and your SAT prep is also going very good. I'm Angad, your SAT trainer who've been accepted in a lot of IVs including Princeton, Columbia, Brown, Rice, Stanford, MIT and many more. Till now I've guided around 5,000 students so far and 1,500 of them get their dream universities. In last few videos, we have a very brief discussion about how you could ace your SAT in 15 days, and then we have an overview in the next video that what are the best part-time jobs that you could target when you are freshman university year. If you haven't watched that video, just check that video and you will really like that. Today's video is more specifically towards about the SAT maths problem, or I could say classical SAT maths problem that was given in 1982. So in 1982, an SAT maths problem was given in the paper, and unfortunately, not a single student will able to solve that problem. So in today's video, we're gonna have a look over that problem and we'll see what gonna be the correct answer for that. Let's first of all have a look over the question. So as the question says, the radius of circle A is 1/3 of the radius of circle B, and circle A rolls around circle B one trip back to its starting point. Question is asking, how many times will circle A revolve in total? 5 options are given. Number A, 3/2, number B, 3, C, 6, D, 9/2, and E is 9. You can pause this video. First of all, try this question on your own and tell me in the comment section what's going to be the right answer for this question. Let's have a discussion on that, how to solve this problem. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I just write the radius of circle A and radius of circle B. So let's say for circle A, I just write small r, and for circle B, I write capital R. Now it is already given in the question that the radius of the circle A is 1/3 of the circle radius of the circle B. So that means my small r is nothing but 1/3 capital R. As simple as that. Now, as circle A has small r as a radius, so the circumference is going to be 2 pi r, and the circumference of radius as circle B going to be 2 pi capital R. Now, I'll be telling you one formula. This formula you could usually uses in any of the classical revolution problem, but yeah, for this specific problem I'll be using that formula, so you'll be more familiar, or you could use this formula in other problems also. So the formula is number of revolutions is equals to distance traveled by circle A, distance traveled by circle A over circumference of circle A. So as you know from the problem itself, I'm just writing it here that my distance traveled by circle A is 2 pi capital R, right? And the circumference of circle A is 2 pi small r. So distance traveled by circle A means when circle A is revolving around circle B, then how much distance it travels. So obviously if it's traveling around the boundary of circle B, the circumference is going to be of the circle B itself. So as it is already given in the question that small r is actually 1/3 capital R, I just sub in this value here. So this is going to be 2 pi r over 2 pi times 1/3 r. R and R cancels out, 2 pi cancels out, and I'm left with 3. So overall 3 revolutions are there that circle A revolves around the circle B. That means answer B. I hope you also get the right answer. So that's the answer for this today's question. So for more such videos, guys, you could subscribe our YouTube channel. Even if you are struggling that which college you want to target, and you are struggling that what major you want to target and what major suits the university, so you could, for more such content or for more such information, you could even follow our Instagram handle, that is LurniGo. and just quickly write down in the comment section which topic should I make the next video. And I hope your SAT prep is going really very well, and you will definitely ace your SAT, upcoming SAT that is coming in 2nd of December. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, good luck. Have a great day. Bye-bye.